classic high school physics challenge is more stylish than ever. Print out your very own rubber band-driven toy car. 3D rubber band race car toys take the classic rubber band-powered mechanics to another level through 3D printing. You can download all 3D model car body and parts including assemble guide from MakerWorld. I put the link in the description. See the guide to assemble in minutes. No AMS or multicolor printing required. Experimenting with different designs and rubber band tensions can help improve speed and distance.